Now here is the main idea in a single image about the data types. When you have detailed concepts about the data types, so it will be really easier for you to select the proper solution on Azure platform. The beauty of Azure cloud solution is that Microsoft already implemented a number of solutions on behalf of these data types. So you need to select a proper storage solution according to your own requirements. So when you make a comparison, so in a big picture you can easily select which type of solution you needed for structured query languages, or you can say for structured data, and what kind of solution you require for non-structured data, and what will happen if you are going to make a choice for your semi-structured data. So there are number of solutions available on the platform of Microsoft Azure, and you can select as per your own convenience, as per your own requirements, and as per your own customer needs. So let's move and explore the storage services industry on the platform of Microsoft Azure.